The Brazilian tapir, or Tapirus terrestris, is a type of tapir originating from South America, including Brazil. They have large bodies, thick fur, and distinctive features, such as white rings around the eyes and lips. Brazilian tapirs are herbivores and tend to live in rainforest areas, rivers, and swamps. They are important in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem by helping to disperse plant seeds through their feces. Although generally considered a vulnerable species, conservation efforts are underway to protect their populations.